What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to do a little walk around on a 1984 Monte Carlo SS. This one does have a believed to be 305 up under the hood. Guys, if you're new to the channel, check out maplemotors.com. That's my website. You can see all the inventory that we pick up. We update every week on Monday, so definitely check that out. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, and shipping. And if you hit that subscribe button, you can see test drives and walkarounds of every car that comes through here, or almost. All right, we're gonna get started on this. Point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Start up here in the front. This car here is not perfect on the paint job. You can get real close. Somebody's already got some touch-up marks and some tape or whatnot or whatever's there. A little scratch on the bumper there. Scratch on the pinstriping. See some cracking. Been painted a while. Got a good set of tires on it. This is a really clean car. Inside and out, seems pretty solid. Checking the bottoms of the doors for any bubbles or rust. All the windows have been tinted on this car as well. Looks like we got some extra parts in the trunk. Paint's a bit thin on that bumper. They've cut the exhaust. I like the way they did that, it looks good. Weather stripping looks good around the trunk. That's not supposed to be like that, but I'll try to get close and show it to you. Trunk itself's nice and solid. You got all kinds of extra parts up in here. Fuel fragrance. I used to do that in high school. All right. Let's go ahead and shut the trunk lid down. Trunk's nice and straight. You got a little glue on that trim trying to hang on to the edge of the door there. All right, made it all the way around the car. Now, I don't know if it's weird to say this, but I can kind of smell the leak on the AC. I tried to cut it on earlier and it wasn't working. I was wondering what that was about. I'll look around in here. Edelbrock carburetor. Optima battery, aluminum radiator. I noticed it was staying nice and cool on the test drive. Definitely check that out. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Door panel's in great shape. Weather stripping's a little bit dry rotted around it, but it's still soft. Carpet could be in better shape. The seat in the end, I mean, all the seats look like they're almost new. I mean, they are in great shape on this car. All of them. Same with the headliner. It's really nice. Get y'all out from back here. The dash, everything's nice and clean. Somebody's really taking care of this interior. The carpet's not terrible. I mean, you could probably shampoo it out. It's showing 22,000 miles on the dash. I could see this being 122. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? Got that aftermarket Edelbrock card sitting on there. They got it loping. Real low idle. Looks like 400 or 500. Radio. I can hear it pop on and off, but it's not playing any sound. What I said about the air. Blower motor cuts on, compressor does not. Horn. It works. Wipers. They work. Power windows. A little slow. They're tinted. Come down a little shaky. Let's look at the other side. Go ahead and roll it all the way up. A little slow too. But all the way up. And all your gauges are working in here. Your oil pressure's up, your temp, gas, and your battery. Tilt. Let's go ahead and jump out of here. I noticed on the window, a little dry rotted right there, where it slides up and down. It's actually missing right in here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down. Hood comes down nice and easy. We're gonna be doing some undercarriage shots here in just a moment. We're gonna look up under the front, the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side. You can also see close to 100 detailed pictures on my website. That's maplemotors.com. Let's look under here. I do appreciate y'all watching. MapleMotors.com offers financing and shipping information, 100 detailed pictures, all of our inventory, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And if you hit the subscribe button, it'll show you videos like this every single day, a test drive, a walk around, and all these classic American muscle cars that come through here every month. Close to 50 cars a month come through this lot. Always got something new, and it's always a classic. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.